Our study was focused on understanding the impact of black carbon on clouds and how that affects climate. So in order to do that, we had to understand the uncertainties associated with modeling cloud formation and its reflectance of light back into space.
This is a 3-year-long multi-institutional study. What we found is that California's black carbon concentrations, black carbon pollution has come down drastically in the last 20, 30 years. And that was primarily because of regulations California did. While California did this to minimize the health impacts of particular pollution, what we discovered was that it also brought down black carbon or soot concentrations, which is a major contributor to climate change.
So what we went about doing was understanding and comparing relevant studies in the literature and trying to understand what the difference between the studies were.
And what we had discovered as part of this study is there is another warming pollutant called brown carbon. We sort of now know it exists and we know it contributes to heating, but we don't have a good understanding of what sources is contributing to the brown carbon. So we proposed California should undertake a study to understand the effect of this brown carbon.
There is very little information about what the size and composition of black carbon particles is. And so one of the things we need to do is to do further research to measure what black carbon particles actually look like in the atmosphere in order to better quantify and reduce those uncertainties in models.
There are other sectors which are contributing to black carbon over California: agriculture burning, residential cooking, and sources like shipping. So there are still ways to go, but we shouldn't forget we have made a major dent on the problem. So the primary benefit of the air pollution laws of the last 20, 30 years is to save lives, but the co-benefit was to slow down climate change.